All right, day one, this pondless project. Pool's right here, and they have this area right here that we are going to make a pondless. Comes somewhere around that corner, comes down through. It's going to be split by a rock, and then pit's going to be down here. That's staying where it is. So we need to get this fence out of the way. My lovely colleague is out here mapping things out right now, and we're going to come through the garden right down through there with plywood, of course, to protect the yard. And we'll check back in, show you how things go.
5 minutes later.
All right, nothing super easy about this one. We need to get this fence out of here so we can get our excavator in, start laying this guy out. And the hope is that it looks really good from not just right next to the pool, but up here looking down when they come out of their backyard, of their back sunroom here, that they can enjoy it from up here. We're sitting up in here also.
I'm about for it. Ow!
All right, Bobby, I set that up for Greg, so if Greg doesn't give you this shot at the end, that's on him. So where am I right here?
Wait.
The next day.
Day two at this Pondless Waterfall build. A little frosty out here. We got the pit in yesterday, so we've got the pit. Everything is a mess right now, but it's really not. That's streamliners down and everything is there. So we're gonna start forming this up. Bringing in some of these boulders over here. Help us with our height in the back. Hopefully she really starts coming together today. If not, then day three, it'll start coming together. But hopefully she starts coming together today.
Soon after.
Here we go. Things are starting to come together here. You can actually see what's happening. So we laid our frame. I mean, they're laying. They're not. Nothing's foamed in yet. But let me talk about how we had to remove a fence panel yesterday to start this job, which was interesting. But Jada and Sup, Greg are picking. There's Greg's hand back there, picking the next rocks for this beautiful. There he is. You wanted.
The man behind the scenes. Hey.
Turned into Greg's half-hour comedy hour here. Anyway, so we are. Greg, your phone's ringing, bud. This guy's popular. It's probably Berto. Turns out it was the boss man, so all work has stopped. Anyway, so we're gonna start framing up through here. This client wanted some dropped in the middle with water going around both sides, so yeah, it should come together quickly now.
Many minutes later.
Okay, it's a little bit of a mess, but this is gonna come in, this is gonna push up, rock that in, lights. Hopefully we get it done tomorrow. But the sun is almost gone, so this is as far as we go today. Peace.
The next morning.
Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's 25 degrees outside.
So it's 25 degrees outside with a little breeze. It's a little frosty. As I mentioned, we're doing our best to not ruin this guy's yard. So we're moving all of our rocks with wheelbarrows, or we're using the MT and moving plywood, which is also fun. So we need to finish this today because there is lousy weather coming in tomorrow. So here's where we are. It's my girl Jada. She's ready to do this. And we got Pops over here. Still trying to stay in the witness protection program. Need to rock this in. Spillway's up there. We need to get this guy a little more incorporated because this is a tree root that they found years ago and got back here, so they wanted this to be part of it. So that's going to be on the one side. We need to put some aquascape lighting in it, and we need to run our plumbing and obviously button everything up around it. So we got to do it today. We got the right crew to do it. It's been a good day. It's been a cold day, but it's been a good day. Working with Jada and Greg. This is the rendering that we had made for this one. You gotta excuse the extension cords. This is how she turned out. I think it looks pretty close. These guys did a great job. Homeowner loves it. It's great when it's lit up. And I'll show you a view from up higher here. So this is what it was supposed to look like.
A few minutes later.
All right, been a little journey here, but
Do you like me? If you do, please say.